Starting in the Qlik Sense June 2019 release, you can copy cell values to the clipboard. To do this, just right-click on a value in a table and select Copy Cell Value. This improvement will reduce repetition and increase productivity when reusing values from a Qlik Sense application. For example, you can use the copied values to populate fields in a table that you are editing manually. Or you can copy the value and use it to search for Insight Advisor suggestions based on a field. You can also paste the value wherever you want, so you can easily share your data with others. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.